Hello there. So today I wanted to discuss another problem that I found on Striver's SDE Sheet. It's called stock buy and sell. But first of all, please take a look at my shirt. These are Chameleons. Isn't that sweet? Alrighty. So getting back to the problem. So what the problem states, basically, as the input we are getting array of integers which represents days of buying or selling the stocks, and we need to find a pair, or basically the profit that we can get when buying and selling those stocks. So for example here, when buying on day when it costed 1 and selling when it costed 6 gives us the biggest profit. So this is the output we need to find out. We need to remember that we can't sell before buying. Yeah, so basically I came up with a couple of solutions. So the most brute force, uh, we're um, in, iterating through whole array in into loops. So we get taking, for example, this one, and then looping through whole other part of the array, and searching for the biggest profit. Yeah, it works, but well, my submission wasn't successful because it took too much time. So the other solution is less brute force. We are iterating in the smaller loop only if well, first of all, we store the minimum value, and we iterating through whole other part of the array only if the minimum was of only if we found a number smaller than the minimum. So for example, here we're iterating for all of this, but then we find a 1 which will be another minimum, so we're iterating, but and then we're not iterating for all other part of the array because we found 5. It's not lesser than minimum, so this condition is met for free, etc, etc, etc. Yeah, so this is faster, and it was actually accepted here on Leetcode. And then I came up with another one. It's and I guess it's how I call it. I call the function, so it's even a lesser brute force, but quite complicated. So basically, besides storing minimum, we're also storing minimum index and max index, and besides checking if we found another minimum, we also checking if the maximum is set, and if maximum index is well, after the minimum index. So that time travel time travel case, so that the day when we buy can be after the day when we sell. So and that way we don't need to iterate all the time to find the maximum after the minimum index. Yeah. So basically, these are my solutions. One thing I want to mention, I just finished after about a week, I guess, day 1 of Striver's SDE Sheet, so I guess I need to speed it up a little bit. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so that's all for today. See you next time.